How to train your mind to command universe. We all understood in previous videos that whatever we think, universe gives us. As Almighty have created this beautiful universe for us. It's up to us how we take this opportunity to ask for it. As a parent, we also earn money, do endless work, savings, everything to give it to our child best of what he deserves or best of what he asked for. Same way, Mother Nature also created everything for us to give best of what we ask. It's up to us what we should ask for. Now, let's understand one thing first is be constant. Always ask one thing. It can be anything: money, power, fame, name, comfort, anything. It's individual's choice, but make sure you are constant in it. As it's law of universe that if you are constant in anything, universe gives way to achieve it. Ask what you want. Train your mind to command to universe. As universe accept the commands. Make a practice to do it. How to do it? Just for a trial, do it every day at least for 7 days. Think about a person to whom you didn't met since long or didn't talk to him or heard about anything. Think about that person. Within a week's time, you will get to know something about that person. He may call you, message you, or you get any update about that person. Many must have experienced it also. This is called telepathy. Telepathy is nothing but the language of energy, which don't have anything visible, no language, no written, nothing, but invisibly it gets transferred from one person to another. This is called commands. You can also try sit in a dark room quietly. If you have a child at home, ask him also to accompany you. Ask him to sit quietly. Now take a deep breath and relax. Think about any word or any particular thing in your mind. Repeat it. Constantly repeat it. Throw that thoughts of word or thing towards the child. Don't tell him what you are thinking. Take a note. It's a mind who is doing this. No physical, no orally conversation should done. Do it for quite a few times. With child, because they are catchy. They catch things easily. See that the child will catch that word or thing knowingly, unknowingly. It may happen that first day he did not react because their state of mind does not get stable. But if you do it constantly, he will catch it. This way you come to know that how to command. Same way, after few days, ask a child to command to you. If you catch the word, means you are receiver of signals. If this you can do, then you can find anything easily. What others are thinking, you can read their minds. Then same way command to universe for what you want. Think what you want. Ask what you want and get what you want. Be constant to your thoughts.